Hey guys, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, this is Mikey and I'm a graduate student from UC Berkeley working in areas of remote sensing, data science and forestry. And in this YouTube channel, I'll be posting daily videos on topics ranging from GIS, remote sensing, data science, machine learning, and data visualization, and everything else in between. So the core idea here is to break down complex topics in these areas and deliver easy to understand video tutorials so that more people can get engaged and also apply these concepts for making a difference, especially in realms of environmental conservation and management. That being said, if you're someone interested in any of the previously mentioned topics, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with my video uploads. Also, I want this video to serve as a kind of landmark or something that I can look back to after a couple of years. So I'm just gonna summarize my channel statistics here. As of now, I have around 450 plus subscribers. Yeah, 455 to be exact. Thank you, loyal people. And from the 23 videos I had created sporadically in the last 4.5 years, I have got around 114,000 views. Not that bad. So this year I'm planning to challenge myself and upload one video a day. Let's see how that goes. And I don't want to stop till I reach this landmark of 100,000 subscribers. Not sure how many months or years it's gonna take, but it doesn't really matter because I don't have to prove anything to anyone other than myself. Also, I'm still working on my Adobe and video editing skills, and especially my voice modulation and audio editing. And I know for a fact that the videos I'll be uploading in the next few days are not gonna be anywhere near the best. However, I hope I will be still able to add some value to your life and answer some of your questions. It's just that I didn't want to wait till everything becomes perfect and, I gained all the skills. Not that person. That's why I gathered all the courage I got to ignore all the drawbacks I have and the comments I may get and decided to start now and then improve with time. So if you're watching this video, I really appreciate your time and thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you again in my channel. Have a great year ahead, guys. Enjoy.